गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः। वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्येव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानन्द श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासदि श्री गौरभक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। तो हम लोग जहाँ पर उपस्थित हुए यह सिद्ध बकुल, यहाँ पर हरिदास ठाकुर भजन आदि करते थे, बैठकर हरिनाम करते थे। इनके चैतन्य महाप्रभु टाइटल दिया नामाचार्य, और हरिनाम उच्च स्वर से करते थे। 1,00,000 हरिनाम जो है उपांशु जप धीरे धीरे जप करते थे, और 1,00,000 हरिनाम केवल मणिमन जप करते थे। साधारण मनुष्य के लिए संभव नहीं है। 1,00,000 हरिनाम करने में तुम्हारे दम निकल जाएगा है, किंतु हरिदास ठाकुर 3,00,000 हरिनाम करते थे है। और वो हरिनाम के शुद्ध हरिनाम अपतित हरिनाम कहा जाता है। 3 प्रकार की हरिनाम कहते हैं। एक नाम अपराध होता है, और एक होता है क्या नामाभास होता है, और तीसरी होता है शुद्ध हरिनाम है। हरिदास ठाकुर जी 3,00,000 जो हरिनाम करते थे, सब नाम कैसे है? शुद्ध हरिनाम है। बद्ध जीव की कहाँ होता है? नामाक्षर बाहिरा बटे नाम कहू नाय, केवल अक्षर मात्र निकालता है जिहा से, किंतु शुद्ध हरिनाम नहीं होता है। इसलिए नामाक्षर बाहिरा बटे केवल अक्षर मात्र होता है, अपराधी है। नामाक्षर कभू नामाभास, सदाई नाम अपराध कभू नामाभास। कभी कभी जो है 1,000 नामाभास भी हो जाए, किंतु ज्यादातर क्या होता है? अपराधिक होता है। 10 प्रकार की नाम अपराध होता है। सातांग निंदा, शिवादि देवता के साथ कृष्ण के साथ बराबर सच समझना, ये द्वितीय नाम अपराध कहा जाता है। तृतीय नाम अपराध गुरु अवज्ञा। गुरु अवज्ञा क्या? गुरु के प्रति मर्त बुद्धि करना ही गुरु अवज्ञा। मर्त बुद्धि क्या है? गुरु हमारे भांति एक साधारण मनुष्य है, ज्यादा से ज्यादा उससे थोड़ा ज्ञान कर लिया, शास्त्र अध्ययन कर लिया, इसलिए गुरु बन गया। ऐसे विचार करना, गुरु के प्रति ऐसे विचार करना क्या है? नाम अपराध कहा जाता है। कभी गुरु के प्रति ऐसे विचार, इसलिए कृष्ण बार बार उद्धव की समझाने लगे, ये आचार्य मांग विजन्यात नावन्य कहिचित न मूर्त बुद्धो श्वेत सर्वदेव मय गुरु। आचार्य गुरुदेव के जो है भगवत स्वरूप ही जान करके ही उनके सेवा करो। आचार्य मांग विजना नावन्य कहिचित, उनकी अपमानना जानी, उनकी कभी मर्त बुद्धि मत करना, मर्त बुद्धि मत करो है। कि गुरु हमारे भांति तो खाते हैं पीते हैं, गुरु हमारे भांति भी गुस्सा हो जाता है, क्रोध प्रकाश करते हैं। तो गुरु से हमारे से क्या अंतर है? ज्यादा एक ही अंतर है, वो कोई शास्त्र ज्ञान कर लिया इसलिए शास्त्रीय कथा सुना देते हैं, इधर उधर की कथा सुना देते हैं, किंतु ऐसी बात नहीं है। गुरु जो होता है, गुरु शब्द की अर्थ होता है वो भगवत सेवा की मूर्त विग्रह कहा जाता है। वो गुरु कौन है? बलदेव प्रभु। और गुरु पाद में बलदेव प्रभु की प्रकाश विग्रह ही गुरुदेव कहा जाता है। ये बुद्धि जब तुम्हारे हृदय में हो जाएगा, तभी तुम्हारे हृदय में भक्ति देवी प्रकट होगी। जिस दिन तुम्हारे हृदय में गुरु के प्रति मर्त बुद्धि दूर हो जाएगा, माने जब तुम सोचोगे गुरु हमारे भांति मनुष्य नहीं है, गुरु क्या है? साक्षात भगवत स्वरूप ही गुरु है। कृष्ण गुरु रूपे भुवने प्रकाशिला, स्वयं कृष्ण ही जगत में गुरु के रूप में ही प्रकटित हुए हैं। ये भावना जब हो जाएगा, विश्वास जब हो जाएगा, उसी दिन तुम्हारे हृदय में शुद्ध भक्ति प्रकट हो जाएगी। ये होना इतना सहज नहीं है। क्यों नहीं होता है? ना हमारे भांति गुरुदेव खाते हैं पीते हैं सोते हैं क्रोध प्रकाश करते हैं, हम भी खाते हैं, गुरुदेव भी खाते हैं, हम भी गुस्सा हो जाते हैं, और गुरु भी हमारे प्रति गुस्सा हो जाता है। तो गुरु और हमारे अंतर क्या है? उद्धव भी ऐसे ही पूछा कि आप गुरु के साथ और भगवान आपके साथ कैसे तुलना कर रहे हैं? तो उस समय उद्धव ने, स्वयं भगवान ने कहा, हे उद्धव, जो भगवान होते उसके लक्षण बताओ। तब उस समय उद्धव ने कहा, अष्टादोष गुण रोहिता भगवत तनु। जो भगवान होते हैं उसके 18 दोष नहीं होता है। 18 दोष क्या है? 18 दोष है, जो भगवान होते हैं वो झूठ नहीं बोलते हैं, सत्य बोलते हैं पहले, है सत्य। जो भगवान जो होते हैं, भगवान की क्या पहले वो सत्य बोलते हैं, सत्यम त्रिसत्यम है, नहीं तम सत्य है गुहाया। श्रीमद् भागवत में कहते हैं भगवान जो होते हैं वो सत्य स्वरूप ही भगवान है, सत्यम परम धीमहि, वो सत्य स्वरूप ही भगवान है। स्वयं भगवान जो है सत्य स्वरूप है। भगवान झूठ नहीं बोलते, भगवान में क्रोध नहीं होता है, भगवान में कोई किसी प्रकार लोभ मोह नहीं होता है। इस प्रकार एक एक करके उद्धव बताया जो भगवान होते 18 दोष नहीं रहते भगवान है। तो कृष्ण ने कहा, उद्धव तुम बताओ मेरे दोष है कि नहीं है? मैंने तो बचपन से ही झूठ बोलना शुरू कर दिया। मैया ने कहा, कन्हैया तूने मिट्टी खाई? मैंने कहा मैया मैं नहीं मिट्टी खाई है। माँ यशोदा सखा ने पहले क्या कर दिया, शिकायत कर दी माँ यशोदा के पास, मैया यशोदा तेरे बालक कन्हैया जो है जमुना के रेत जो है, रेत समझते हो, बालू वो खाए है, बालू जो है, मिट्टी जो है, मिट्टी खाए। माँ यशोदा एक लट्ठी लेकर के कन्हैया के कहने लगे, कन्हैया तू मिट्टी खाई? कन्हैया बोले मैया मैं नहीं मिट्टी खाई। अरे ये जो लोग सखा लोग जो बोल रहे हैं, ये सखा लोग तो हमारे पीछे लग जाता है, झूठ बोलते रहते हैं, चिढ़ाते रहते हैं, मैया मैं क्या करूं? मैया बोले नहीं, दाऊ भाई बलदेव दाऊ भी बोले, दाऊ भैया भी बोले तुम्हारा है, बोले दाऊ भैया आज सखाओं के साथ मिल गया है, झूठ बोल रहे, मुख खोलो, मुख खोलो, तुम्हारे मुख में देखता हूं मिट्टी है कि नहीं। अरे तू तो चिन्ह रहेगा, मिट्टी खाए। कन्हैया देख मिट्टी, मुख खोला, क्या देखा? माँ जो देखा अनंत विश्व ब्रह्मांड कृष्ण के छोटा मुख से देखा, वो सुंदर मुख में अपने को भी देखा। कन्हैया के कान पकड़ करके रखे, एक हाथ में लट्टी है और मुंह में भी कृष्ण के देखा, अपने को देखा है। मैया जुदा करने बोले मैं क्या देख रही हूं है, मेरे बालों के कहीं भूत पिशाच नहीं पकड़ लिया तो, और अथवा मुझे कहीं भूत पकड़ लिया है। तो मैया यशोदा ने ब्राह्मणों को बुलाया और कृष्ण के गोमूत्र गोबर दे करके स्नान कराए। तो कृष्ण मिट्टी खाई कि नहीं खाई? सबका सब बालकों ने देखा कृष्ण मिट्टी खाए, और कृष्ण महाराज के क्या बोले, मैया मैं नहीं मिट्टी खाई। देखो झूठ बोला कि नहीं बोला है? झूठ बोला। जो भगवान होते हैं झूठ तो बोलते हैं, सत्य बोलते हैं, झूठ बोला। लोभ, भगवान जो होते हैं भगवान में कोई लोभ नहीं होता है? भगवान जो होते हैं उसके लक्षण होता है आत्माराम आप्तकाम, सेल्फ सेटिस्फाइड एंड फुलफिल ऑल हिज डिजायर्स। वो आत्माराम आप्तकाम होता है। उसे किसी वस्तु में उसके लेन देन नहीं रहता है, दिया तो अच्छा है, नहीं दिया तो वो भी अच्छा होता है। भगवान है वो आत्माराम आप्तकाम। और कृष्ण आत्माराम आप्तकाम है कि नहीं? कहाँ आत्माराम आप्तकाम है? थोड़ी सी छाछ के लिए, छाछ समझते हो, लस्सी है, लस्सी जिसको कहते हैं, जैसे बटर मिल्क है, उसी के लिए ही गोपियां बोले तू नाच नृत्य करो, मैं तुमको छाछ खिलाऊं है, लाडू दूंगी, गोपियां कहने लगी है। एक बार नाचो तो एक लड्डू मिलेगा, 2 बार नाचोगे तो 2 लड्डू। कन्हैया बोले गोपियां तू मुझे ऐसे करो तो हमसे तो पैर दर्द करा दोगे, लड्डू तो दोगे नहीं। अच्छा कैसे मुझे पता चलेगा एक लाडू? गोपियां कहने लगे देख तेरे ललाट पर ना ये गोबर की जो टीका लगा देता हूं, इसे फिर गिन लेना कितना लड्डू मिला, कितने बार नाचे। गोपियां ने जो की कन्हैया के बोले तू एक बार नाचो, एक बार नाचने लगे तथई लगे दई तथई। अच्छा हो गया, बोले एक गोबर के जो है टीका कन्हैया को यहाँ पर लगा दी, 2 बार लगा दी, 3 बार। वो एक लड्डू के लिए कृष्ण कितना लालचते रहते हैं, मक्खन के लिए लालचते रहते हैं, लार टपकता रहता है। कोई कोई बालक होता है ना छोटा, उनके मुंह से अपने आप लार टपकता रहता है। कन्हैया ऐसी प्रकार। तो भगवान जो होते हैं उसमें लोभ नहीं होता है। किंतु कृष्ण कहने लगे, उद्धव तुम बताओ मैं भगवान कैसे बन गया? तब उस समय उद्धव अंतर कहा, प्रभु ये आपकी लीला है, आप तो लीला पुरुषोत्तम लोकवत्तु लीला कैवलम प्रभु, आप तो लीला करते रहते हो, आप तो लीलाधारी हो। आपकी लीला ब्रह्मा आदि बड़े बड़े देवता लोग भी समझ नहीं पाते, मैं भी समझ नहीं पाता। तो उस समय भगवान ने कहा, आचार्य उसी प्रकार गुरु जो होता है वो मत स्वरूप है, मेरे स्वरूप को जानो। उनके हृदय में ये सब नहीं है, कहीं की जो करते हैं उसकी लीला ही समझना चाहिए। जिस दिन हमारे हृदय में गुरु के प्रति ऐसे भावना उत्पन्न हो जाएगा, गुरु साक्षात भगवत स्वरूप ही है, उस दिन ही हमारी हृदय में भक्ति देवी प्रकट हो जाएगी। और जब तक ये भावना नहीं हो रहे तो बहुत कठिन होता है। बोले ऐसे कैसे होगा? कहते हैं महाराज गुरु के प्रति ऐसी भावना कैसे? जब तुम सरल बन जाओगे। सरल समझते हो? when you completely what simple, no duplicity, no hypocrisy in your heart, जैसे ऐसे गुरु के चरण में अपने को समर्पित कर दोगे तो गुरु कृपा भगवत कृपा तुम्हारी हृदय में प्रकाशित हो जाएगा और सब कुछ हो जाएगा। ऐसे करना भी बहुत कठिन होता है। गुरु के चरण में अपने को जब तक समर्पित नहीं करोगे, ये समझो। अब जस्ट नाउ वी आल्सो टॉक, some devotee can understand Hindi also, especially Malaysian devotee, they don't know Hindi also, some also, and Chinese they know Hindi, English, everything. Russian also. So just I also talked about here Haridas Thakur, we have come here. There are 3 kinds of holy names just we discussed. One is called Nam Aparad, another is called Namabhas, some blames of the holy names. Third, that is called the Suddha Nam. Haridas Thakur, he chanted 3 lakhs of holy names. First holy name, 1 lakh holy names, he chanted loudly. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Hare. Nam Kirtan. Loudly. If you chant 1 lakh holy name loudly, then next day your Mahabhav will come. Means is what? Your throat automatically what? Chokes. But Haridas Thakur every day chanted first 1 lakh holy names loudly, Uchchasara Nam Sankirtan. Or second part of holy names, 1 lakh holy names, he chant very slowly, just flipping his lips. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Or third 1 lakh holy names, he chanted just in his mind. No, that is called Smaranam. Just you also chant your Gayatri Mantra. If you chant your Gayatri Mantra, should not move your lips. In this way, Haridas Thakur chanted. But Haridas Thakur, all his holy names is what? Perfect, Shuddha Harinam. Understand? Namabhas, first you understand Nam Aparad. There are 10 types of 10 offenses of chanting holy names. First that is called Satang Ninda. Never, one who criticizes to sadhu, Nama Aparad. And one who thinks Krishna Nam equals Shiva Nam, or that is called Nama Aparad. One who thinks Gurudev, he is an ordinary person. He is a mundane person. So I discuss things with Uddhav, you also sometimes confused. He asked these things. Yeah, how Guru is not different from Krishna? You. That time Krishna told, who is Bhagavan? What is the symptom? Then Uddhav, he stated, but there he gave one slok, he recited one slokas from Shastra. Who is Bhagavan? He is free from 18th faults. Who has no 18th faults? he is called Bhagavan. What is the 18 faults of Bhagavan? Who has no 18 faults. He never tell a lie. He always speak the truth. First. Never is greed. Understand? Atmaram, Aptakam, self-satisfied and fulfill his desire. So in this way, Uddhav, he recited one verse. Then Krishna told, how possible? I am Bhagavan. Many times I have to tell a lie. Mother Jasoda told, hey, did you eat mud? Then Krishna told, no. Then open the mouth. Then Mother Jasoda say, all the verse. Now I'll keep going. In this way, proof when that Bhagavan, who is Bhagavan? He is free from all the 18 faults. Then Uddhav told Prabhu, all your lila. These things. In the same way, all the qualifications of Krishna manifested in the heart of Guru. Guru is not different from Krishna. This is. When these types of realization will come, your faith will come with Guru. And that time automatically Krishna and Suddha Nam will manifest in your tongue. So Namabhas coming. Namabhas means is what? What the meaning of Namabhas? No offense. Once who chants the holy names, no offenses. But still not Samandagyan coming. That time chanting holy names, that is called Namabhas. You understand? नाम कर रहे हैं किंतु अभी संबंध ज्ञान नहीं हो रहा है और अपराध भी नहीं है, उसमें जो नाम करते हैं उसे कहा जाता है नामाभास कहा जाता है. यू अंडरस्टैंड? समझ में? नामाभास मीन्स वन हु चांट्स होली नेम्स विदाउट ऑफेंसेस, नो वैष्णव अपराध, बट स्टिल नॉट संबंध ज्ञान, नॉलेज रिलेशन नॉट मैनिफेस्ट. दैट टाइम चांटिंग होली नेम, दैट इज कॉल्ड नामाभास. अजामिल, he has no offenses. Ajamil, he did not commit offense to the Vaishnava, no Vaishnava aparadh. But still, no Samandagyan manifest in his heart. So for this regard, Ajamil, he chanted, first time he chanted his son's name Narayan, that got Namahas. Ajamil, he committed many sinful activities, Papa Karma, but he never criticized any Vaishnava. For this regard, first he went and chanted his son's name Narayan, then Namahas. A Suddha Nam, Samandagyan manifesting in his heart, knowledge of relationship, and no Vaishnava aparadh, chanting holy names. That is called Suddha Nam. And there are different categories of Suddha Nam. And Ras Yukta Nam, and Vaishwarya Yukta Nam. The Nam, chanting holy names with opulence mode, chanting holy names with sweetness mode. Narayan, Govind, Narayan. This name is what? Opulence name. Vaishwarya. और श्याम सुंदर, मदन मोहन, वृंदावन चंद्र, रासबिहारी, रासबिहारी. This name is called Suddha sweet names. So Haridas Thakur, he chanted holy name Suddha Nam 100, and he was chanting holy names here. And that time he said no said nothing so much also. Sun rays, courteous sun rays. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu every day used to come Jagannath Darshan, Mangalarti. After Jagannath Darshan, he used to come here Haridas Thakur. Because Haridas Thakur, he was very humble. He was thinking, I born in Muslim family, low caste family. So I should not go to the temple of Jagannath. So he did not go to the temple of Jagannath. For this regard, same Jagannath went to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came here and gave darshan to him. Lord Chaitanya, one day Pujari, Jagannath Pujari, he gave, what is called? Toothbrush. Are name Bokul. Bokul toothbrush. Jagannath Bokul Tuga, this Bokul. This is called Bokul tree. And Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu just he planted. Then within a couple seconds, big Bokul tree manifested. This is the miracle. This is the miracle. Big and very nice, beautiful. Said Haridas Thakur was sitting under the Bokul tree. For this regard, this Bokul tree is called Siddha Bokul. Later, during time of Ratha Yatra, then king was thinking this Bokul tree, what is called? and will make the wheels of Lord Jagannath. So next day when he came, and that time we saw inside the trees nothing, no wood, nothing, only outside the ski and bark. That. Now you see this tree is there. No bark is there. You have seen? Only hollow. Inside no wood, nothing. Because this body is called Siddha Bakula. And where Hridasthavati Bhajan and Sad. This way. And Rup Sanatan Dev is here is the two deities, middle Hridas Thakur, and two side Rup and Sanatan. Rup Goswami, Sanatan Goswami. Though they were born in Brahman family, but they were the Prime Minister and Financial Minister of King Hussain Shah. They are thinking, oh, we associate the Muslim, so our body contaminated. So for this reason, Rup Sanatan also is not go to temple of Jagannath, and they are staying here. And they discuss about Hari Katha. Very nice sweet pastimes is there. And especially Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu coming here and listen Hari Katha. During the Ratha Yatra, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was dancing in front of Lord Jagannath. And he recited one mundane poetry, Sahitya Darpan, and Kabya Prakash Sahitya Darpan. That is simple meaning is that one married lady, she told her heart in front of his girlfriend, now I'm married. Now I can freely meet with my husband, but I am not happy. I want to return back my before marriage life. What is the before marriage life? And in my before marriage life, I also made a friendship with this guy, which now he is my husband. Before he was my boyfriend. Question word. Boyfriend. And hidden way, both will meet together in the bank of the river of Reva. And whole night we were speaking mundane talk. What the mundane talk? Stupid nonsense talk, sexual talk. When boyfriend, girlfriend, they are meeting together, what they are speaking? Stupid nonsense thing. This simple way. In the same way she told. And in the month of Chaitra, very nice, beautiful season, and we are hiding one place in the place of the Kunja of Betosi Torutoli. One kind of bamboo tree, very long and also bending this way, as like Kunja. And we are hiding the place on the bank of the river. Very nice, beautiful, full lit night. And the rays of the moon and completely illuminated that place. And midnight, maybe 1 o'clock, 1 a.m., 2 a.m., nobody there. Only the waves of the river making sound. Kal, 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 kal. Nobody there. And both who also are embraced to each other and many things I don't know what they are doing. Embracing and kissing and this way. And we will there. And that when we are meeting together, that is the just couple seconds we are meeting together. Then we return back home. In this way, few years we are staying together. Then finally we decide, no, this is the opposite of our Shastra. Shastra Viruddha. No boyfriend, girlfriend. We have to marry to each other. Understand? Without marrying, embracing and kissing, that is called sinful activities, papa karma. You go to the hell. You have to marry, then you can do stupid nonsense thing, no problem. Understand? So for this regard, later we, after couple of months, we decide have to marry. Now we will marry, but we married and wife and then now our relationship, wife and husband. And staying together, no one criticized to us, but I am not happy with this marriage life. I want to return back my previous
old life.
Life, how we are meeting together, remembering these things. But these things also Lord Chaitanya again and again recited in front of Lord Jagannath. No one can understand about the mood of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is sannyasi. Why did he recite this verse? Jo Kumar Hara, this verse. Rupa Goswami, that only Sarup Damodar, he realized the heart of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Then Sarup Damodar, you are so much ecstatic mood and chanting the Shaita Purana Painu Jahalagi Madani Dahani Jurigan. After long separation, now I am meeting with my beloved Krishna. When Sarup Damodar recited this verse, then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu dancing more and more. And then, but others' mind very disturbed. Why Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is sannyasi? Why Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said this mundane thing? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu never he talked about mundane talk. Raghunath Das Goswami also explained, oh mind, never you talk the mundane thing. Asad Bhatta Vesamati Sarvasya Harini Katha Mukti Bagra Sarvatma Glini Opitoksva Lakshmipati Bhumnaman Unani Braje Radha Krishna Smarana Suchita Nunumano. Even Raghunath Das Goswami explained, oh mind, never you talk mundane talk. Same Chaitanya, now Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is talking about mundane katha. Not simple mundane katha. He is talking about the girlfriend, boyfriend, how they are meeting together, embracing, kissing. Why? Sarup, that year, Rupa Goswami Pad, he came. And Rupa Goswami Pad, he realized the heart of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. According to the mood of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Rupa Goswami Pad, he wrote same similar verse. Priyo Sang Sajari Kurukshetre Milita. This katha is that when Krishna met with Srimati Radhika in Kurukshetra, then Srimati Radhika, she told her Sakhis Lalita Abhisheke, now I am meeting with my beloved Krishna. Priyo so I am Sahajari Kurukshetra Milita. I am same Radha, or I am meeting with my same beloved Krishna. But my heart is not overjoyed. I want to return back Vrindavan. This is it. Because Vrindavan is our heart. Vrindavan is our love, heart and soul, everything. Aner mon Vrindavan, mone bone ek kari jani, tahat tomar padadoy karao jodi udoy, tobe tomar purna kripa mani. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, in the same mood of Srimati Radhika, hey Krishna, please come in Vrindavan. This is the place of Dwaraka. Actually, this Jagannath Puri, that is called the part of Dwaraka. This is not Vrindavan. Just in his mood stimulation coming, is thinking Vrindavan. This is not Vrindavan. This is what? Part of Dwaraka Puri. But here some Uddipan is here. So Krishna, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, then Srimati Radhika told, hey Krishna, please come in Vrindavan. Because there are many kinds of opulence mood here. Understand? This Kurukshetra, Krishna is now king. No peacock feather. This thing. No flute. Because when Krishna left Vrindavan, then he left two things also. What did he left? Flute and his peacock feather. Gopis will be happy to taking darshan to Krishna if Krishna has two things. What are the two things? Flute and peacock feather. Or third Krishna will be manifested three-band fold, Tribhanga Lalita. And then Gopi will be very. Tribhanga Lalita. If Krishna will not, if Krishna will not, three-band fold and peacock feather.
ये हरिदास ठाकुर जी का भैया गौरांग महाप्रभु, उसके बाद रूप गोस्वामी, सनातन गोसाई, हरिदास ठाकुर, इसके बाद जय श्री राम।
मैं तो नरक की कीड़ा हूँ. So this mood is coming. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu next day early in the morning came in the Haridas Thakur. That time Rupa Goswami wrote this verse and put on the, what is called? Roof. After the roof. And when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu saw this verse, then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's heart melted. And same time Rupa Goswami after taking the bath from the ocean, and he lay down the lotus feet of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu asked, Rup, who wrote this verse? Then Rupa Goswami, very humble, he told, I wrote. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's heart melted. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu asked to Sarup Damodar Rai Damodar, how did he know my mood? Last night I was reciting one verse of Saitya Darpan Kavya Prakash Mandian, but same parallel mood, Rupa Goswami Pad, he wrote this verse, Priyo Soyam Sahachari Kurukhetri Milita, this verse. And then Sarup Damodar Rai Damodar told, Prabhu, without your mercy, how possible and realize your mood? ईश्वरेर कृपाले सहित जारे ईश्वर तत्व से जन्म अथाति देव पदम्बुजदय प्रसादले सानुगृहीत एवहि जनाधि तत्तं भगवान महिम्न न चन्नं एको ओपि चिरन विचिन्नम. Brahma ji also recited this verse. Athati devo padambujadaya. You Lord, without this, the mercy of lotus feet, no one can realize your heart. So in the same way, with this mercy of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, how possible Rup realize your heart? Sarup Damodar, he told this word. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he told Sarup, this is true. When Rup, he met with me, Prayag, then I gave all my treasure in the heart of Rupa Goswami. Because Rup completely, absolutely surrendered my lotus feet. For this is Narottam Das Thakur. He recited the Pranam Mantra of Rupa Goswami. What is the Pranam Mantra of Rupa Goswami? Sri Chaitanyang Mano Vishtam Sthapitam Jano Bhutale Sayam Rupa Kadamajjam Dadati Sapadantikam. This is the process. We can understand the heart of Guru and Krishna when you completely surrender. This is the process. But how will surrender to Guru? Not to one day. At one bamboo tree, you cannot bend one day. And slowly. What is the slowly? Adu Shraddha, Tato Sadhu Sangha, Bhajana Kriya, Anartha Vritti, Nishtha, Ruchi, Asakti, and Bhavdasa. When you Bhavdasa coming, then you completely surrender. Tinangvi Suni Chena Taroriva Saisnuna Manino Mano Deno Kirtaniya Sada. So you have come here. They have very nice, beautiful dialogue with Haridas Thakur and Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And discuss about Nam. But Bhaktivinoda Thakur manifested one grantha that is called Harinam Chinta. Two parts are there. One part about Nam Aparad, discuss this thing. Second part of Harinam Chintamani, discuss about Rasa Tattva. This thing also I wrote in this book, The Jewels of the Heart. If you read the Jewels of the Heart, everything and all the essence of Harinam Chintamani. English book. All kinds of things. What is called Rasa, what is the everything. And you read on my book. What book?
Jewels of the Heart.
Then you can understand this, the glories about this place. And especially Mahaprabhu asked Haridas, the Muslims, they don't want to chant holy names. They are thinking about Vishnu. They are very fanatic. They don't want to chant holy names. And how they will deliver from this material world? Then Haridas Thakur told Prabhu, anyhow if you chant holy names, one Muslim, even they chant the haram. Haram means the Muslim word, Mohammedan word, haram means untouchable, apavitra, auspicious, apavitra. Even they chant the haram, they will be delivered from this material. Ha-ram. Two words. Understand? There are many things. Ha-ram. Ha-prema vachiko. Remember, Ha-Krishna. Ha-ram. Meaning, Hey Ram. Coming. Ram coming. And Ha-ram. Muslim language, that is haram means
Inauspicious.
untouchable. अपवित्र जिसका जिसे स्पर्श करने से शरीर दूषित हो जाता है. If you touch someone, then you think my body contaminated. इसको स्पर्श करने से शरीर अपवित्र हो जाता है. This is understand. Especially in Bengal tradition, if the ladies go to the toilet, if you touch your mother, then your body also contaminated. You have to take bath. Understand? I remember my mother coming from the toilet, then I also touch my mother, then mother, hey, your body contaminated. Then mother caught him and put in the water. You have to take bath. I remember when small boy, then mother just still coming out of bathroom. Then I say, mom, and that time also I remember this was cold, winter time. And with my cloth, everything, then my mother put in the water. I have to take bath. Because she's thinking my body is contaminated. Understand? Indian, especially Bengal, it was very difficult. Understand? All my body, even the winter time, that's no hot water. If you go to the Bengal countryside, no hot water. No warm, no electricity, nothing. Have to take bath. So in this, what is that? So Muslim, they are thinking, that is called pig. Pig is called haram, untouchable, and contaminated. And they never touch. And they can eat cows, they can eat others' meat, but they will never eat pig meat. They the Quran completely are forbidden. They are thinking, even never to touch. So one Muslim, Muhammadan, he went to the jungle to passing the stool. Then he was passing the stool, then one the wild pig coming. Wild pig, Banu Sukar. Then he saw the Banu Sukar, that wild pig coming, then he haram. Haram jada, haram. He chanted. But the wild pig very quickly came and killed to him. But he chanted what name? Haram. Left body. And he attained to Vaikuntha, Balavindavan, Vihari. Look this now. Even this way, anyhow you chant holy names, how is powerful. Then Mahaprabhu told, even the birds, trees, they can chant holy names. So how will deliver from this material world? Posupakhi tara nam bolite na pare. Mahaprabhu told, Haridas, you tell to me. Even the birds, trees, they cannot chant holy names. How do you deliver? That time Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, then Haridas Thakur told, if any devotee chant loudly Uchchasare Nam Sankirtane, Tara Sabhari. Even the chant, if the devotee Suddha Bhakta chant holy name, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Also they will deliver. Uchcha Sankirtane, Nam Sankirtane, Tara Sabhari. And if you chant holy names, if you want Suddha Holy Nam, even this vibration coming, the birds, trees, they will be delivered. Then Mahaprabhu very pleased. Rupa Goswami Pad, when he wrote the glories of Harinam in his Vidagdha Madhav Natakam, Tunde Tanmuni Vitonite Tundabuli Labdhai. Then Haridas Thakur making this way. Oh, I heard the many glories of the holy names, but I never heard this. What these holy glories of them? Hey Nam Prabhu, oh my Lord, you give me thousand mouths. I chant your holy name. You give me thousand eyes. I can take darshan beautiful form. Tunde tanmuni vitonite tundavali labdhai. And karna kodabhyam. You give me millions years. I can listen your sweet holy name. When Rupa Goswami Pad recited this verse of the glories of the holy name, because Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu asked, in your grantha, what did you write? That time first time glorification of Harinam. But what did you write these slokas? Kya slok tumne likha? That time Rupa Goswami Pad read this slok, Tundi, Tandavani, Vitoniti, Tundavali Lubdhoi, Karna Korobhyam. Then Haridas Thakur read dancing. Oh, very nice, sweet Harinam, the glories of holy name. Haridas Thakur dancing. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So we have come here, this place of Haridas Thakur. And Haridas Thakur give mercy to us. By the causeless mercy of Haridas Thakur, maybe one day we will chant pure holy names. Jalo holy names ki jai. And Nam Rasajukta Nam. And everybody can chant name. But we have to chant what name? Rasajukta holy name. What is the Rasajukta holy name? that we will chant holy name. Tannam rupacharitaadi sukritananu smrito kramena rasana manosini jajju tishtan braji tadanuragami jananugami kalang nae dakhilamitta upadesa saram. Rupa Goswami Pad composed this verse in his nectar of instruction. Tannam rupacharitaadi sukritananu smrito. You have to chant holy names, but which holy names you will chant? That holy names and with Yukta, Rasa Yukta Harinam. Rasa Yukta Harinam, Krishna Nam is sweet holy names. All name is holy name sweet. But which names? They contact with Krishna's sweet pastime. Just like Raseshwari, Rasbihari, Radha Samsundar, Radha Madan Mohan, Radha Vrindavan. Radhe Govinda Jaya, Radhe Govinda Jaya Sam Sundar Madan Mohan Vrindavan Jaya Jaya Radhe